Module 4, ETL Implementation. Implementing ETL, extract, transform, load, processes involves several key steps to ensure that data is extracted from source systems, transformed into the desired format, and loaded into a data warehouse or target system effectively. Here is an overview of the ETL implementation process. 1. Requirements analysis. The first step in implementing ETL processes is to analyze the requirements of the data warehouse or target system. This includes understanding the data integration needs, data quality requirements, data transformation rules, and data loading strategies. It involves working closely with business users, data analysts, and other stakeholders to gather requirements and define the scope of the ETL implementation. 2. Data source identification. Identify the data sources from which data needs to be extracted for the ETL process. This may include databases, flat files, APIs, web services, or other data sources. Determine the data extraction methods and tools that will be used to extract data from these sources, such as SQL queries, data connectors, or data extraction tools. 3. Data extraction. Extract data from the identified data sources using the selected extraction methods and tools. This may involve pulling data from databases, reading data from files, or consuming data from APIs or web services. Validate and cleanse the extracted data to ensure data quality and accuracy. Implementing ETL processes requires careful planning, analysis, and execution to ensure that data is accurately extracted, transformed, and loaded into a data warehouse or target system. It involves a combination of technical expertise, data management skills, and business understanding to implement effective ETL processes that meet the data integration requirements of the organization. Overview of ETL tools and technologies. Overview of ETL, extract, transform, load, tools and technologies refers to a high-level understanding of the various software tools and technologies that are commonly used in the process of extracting data from different sources, transforming it into a desired format, and loading it into a target data warehouse or data repository for further analysis, reporting, and business intelligence purposes. ETL tools and technologies are essential for data integration, data consolidation, and data transformation tasks, and they play a crucial role in the data warehousing and business intelligence landscape. Here are some key points that are typically covered in an overview of ETL tools and technologies. 1. ETL concepts. This includes a basic understanding of the ETL process, which involves extracting data from various sources such as databases, file systems, APIs, and external systems, transforming it by applying data cleansing, validation, enrichment, and other data manipulation techniques, and loading it into a target data warehouse or data repository. 2. ETL tool categories. ETL tools can be broadly categorized into different types based on their functionalities and features. These categories may include data extraction tools, data transformation tools, data loading tools, data integration platforms, data integration middleware, and data quality tools. 3. ETL tool features. Different ETL tools offer a wide range of features and functionalities, such as data profiling, data mapping, data transformation, data enrichment, data validation, data cleansing, data scheduling, data monitoring, and data auditing. An overview of ETL tools and technologies typically covers the common features offered by these tools. Overall, an overview of ETL tools and technologies provides a high-level understanding of the concepts, categories, features, selection factors, popular tools, trends, advancements, and best practices related to ETL processes, which are crucial for successful data warehousing and data integration initiatives. ETL implementation using industry-standard tools. There are several industry-standard tools available for ETL, extract, transform, load, implementation that can streamline the data integration process and make it more efficient. Here are some popular ETL tools commonly used in the industry. 1. Apache NiFi. Apache NiFi is an open-source ETL tool that provides a web-based interface for designing, managing, and monitoring data flows. It offers a wide range of built-in processors for data extraction, transformation, and loading, and supports data integration with various sources and targets. 2. Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka is a distributed streaming platform that can be used for ETL implementations. It is designed for high throughput, fault-tolerant, and scalable data streaming and processing. Kafka can be used for data ingestion, data transformation, and data streaming in real-time ETL workflows. 3. Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a powerful open-source data processing framework that can be used for ETL implementations. It provides a rich set of APIs for batch processing, stream processing, machine learning, and graph processing. Spark can be used for data extraction, data transformation, and data loading tasks. These are just a few examples of popular ETL tools available in the industry. Depending on your specific requirements, data sources, targets, and budget, you can choose the ETL tool that best fits your needs and implement your data integration workflows efficiently and effectively. It's important to thoroughly evaluate and test the chosen ETL tool to ensure it meets your requirements and provides optimal performance for your ETL implementation.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.